Well, Smokey got time by himself in his room last night, and Onyx got to run wild. I'm going to see if I can brush him while he's eating today. This might be the new trick because he's losing a lot of fur. Shedding all over the place. Plus, maybe I'll have the benefit of it slowing him down. I don't know if I'm going to let them be together full time yet or not. I don't know yet. If Smokey keeps bullying Onyx, then maybe one of them will come home and one of them will stay at the office. But that's not really certain yet at this point, so who knows. It'd be nice to be able to keep them together. But gotta figure out what Smokey's deal is. Because him bullying Onyx is not cool. I'm gonna brush you here right here too. Alright, I'm gonna let them be back together all day today, and then we'll see what happens. If I catch them fighting, and Smokey's the one causing the problem, it just might be Smokey gets to go back to his room. Hey, you didn't finish your food. You hate brushing that much you won't eat your food? At least they're willing to eat off the same plate. But, I don't know. It's nice out today, so I got some work I need to do. Hopefully it doesn't make too much noise and upset the cats, but we'll see what happens. I'll check in on my cats real quick before I go outside and fix my building. Ugh, always something. Where's your brother? You being good? Someone's eating all your food. I didn't even think there'd be anything left. Piggy. Did Onyx not clean out? Oh, someone. Poor kitty. Poor kitty. Smokey's such a bully. Eating all your food. Hey. I gotta find puzzles only you can figure out, huh? Smokey, you're such a piggy. Being good. Oh boy. I don't know. I don't think Smokey has any food for you to eat. What are you doing? Too big, you can't pick it up with your teeth. Up, 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 up. Hey. Oh. Oh no. Oh. You fit it. You got it to fit. A little too big though still. Whee! What are you doing? Alright, you be good. So I thought it over, and I think since I'm going to be basically making a bunch of noise inside of the building, somebody needs to go in their room. Question is who? Alright, let's go. Come on. Let's see who gets to be in the room by himself, and who gets to be free. Smokey. Alright. I think we're going to use Onyx's room. there's more of a gap away from the outside wall. So it becomes a game of who gets to be in here. Oh, Onyx. Careful. Hey, you want to be in your room for a bit? Beep, 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 beep. Careful. Oh. Oh, my poor baby. All right, I'll be back in a little bit. Smokey, you were too fast. I was going to put you in there. Play footsie. Someone wants to play footsie with you. But yeah, I'm going to be banging on the outside wall this way, so I think the best thing to do is just to separate them for a little bit, probably about an hour. We'll see. Maybe I'll get done even faster. Oh, well, it's time to check on the cats. I've spent the last hour or so banging on the side of the building, trying to hold heavy pieces of iron over my head in the hopes that I get my gutters reattached that the winter snow destroyed. Oh, it hurts. Let's see how Onyx is doing. Onyx, what are you doing under the table like that? Hi. You okay in here? Oh, there's Smokey. Hi. Did you hear me? Be nice to each other. Good kitties. Good kitty, yeah. What are you doing, Onyx? I've been outside. Do I smell funny? Oop. Oh, straight for no, yeah, no, maybe, I don't know. Onyx had that I'm going for the booty kind of look on his face. Hey. Oh no, you need more litter in your litter box. And clean tonight. You being a good kitty? Smokey, are you being a good kitty? Who's a good kitty? Who's mostly a good kitty? Oh, man. Alright, you two need to behave. Booga booga. Don't bite me. What are you doing? You can't bite me if I have your face. You like your little lip scratch, but then you bite me. Yeah, you want me to scratch your lips, but you also want to bite me. Naughty cat. What's Onyx doing? What are you doing? Who's a good kitty? What? Good kitty. Alright, you two be good? Well, it's not quite their dinner time yet, but apparently Smokey's gonna eat his tunnel. I think they've been behaving all day. I haven't checked on them too much, just because I've been working outside on my building. Onyx. So, yeah, I don't know. Smokey wanted to be in my office with me, but he was biting me, so I decided to carry him back in here. But we'll see who gets to stay in their room tonight, who gets to run free. Might be Smokey again, we'll see. I don't know if I should alternate or what I should do quite yet, but they need to behave, I guess, more before they're fully back together 24/7. But we'll see how they behave when dinner time. Well, end of the day with no incidents I'm aware of. Smokey gets to be out in the office today, or tonight that is, and then Onyx is going to be in a room till I get back. So see how that goes. Maybe I'll try another full night with them again. We'll see. Just depends on how they behave and if Smokey can refrain from bullying Onyx. But if anything, in the meantime, they get to eat their dry food in peace, since Smokey insists on eating all the food. So, another day.